Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock military video, today with the SR-72 DARKSTAR from the Top Gun Maverick movie. And here we are today with a little surprise for you. I have the model here built in my hands. Don't get bothered too much about the weird colors. This one is a prototype, so it has to work, not to be beautiful, even though I tried to use as many black parts as I had. But as usual, the full review will be made on the digital program that I think it's easier to follow for you. The model is here just to show you the final result, how large is it, and the overall shapes. Also because this is not the only aircraft I have from the movie. As you can see here, I have all of them built. Of course, you can find them in the right top corner or caption the video in the playlist. They are divided by categories, so it's easier to find what you are searching for. But here we have a fast preview of all the models from the movie with the F-18, F-14, the Su-57, the Russian one, the SR-72. Obviously, this is the today's model that we will check. If you want the full collection from the movie, you can have it at 1:70 scale. And for all of them, you can find in the caption of the video the link to get the instructions to build them, a link to get third-party cheaper bricks, the same I use for my models. So all of them you can see here are made without original parts, or mostly not all original parts. Some original parts I had from my childhood are inside some of my models. Not sure if some of them are present also inside this specific aircraft, but the quality is identical. You can mix them, so you can decide to use both original and the third party, only third party because they are cheaper. That's up to you. And lastly, but not less important, the full set. So if you want, you can get both instructions and parts at home. Again, third-party parts, that's why the price are lower. Well, now we can finally start checking the DARKSTAR. We have something not present in the movie, but really cool that I can show you now. That is this huge fella here. So here you can see how large is the DARKSTAR compared to a B2. They are the same scale again. You can find this one as well among my designs, obviously. And here we have the DARKSTAR, that there is not so much to check actually. We don't have so many moving parts. The only one are here the ailerons on top that can move a little bit, as you can see. You can play with it, you can handle it from wherever you want. It doesn't matter what you do, is pretty solid. The only thing you can do with it is to change the configuration from land, so we have the landing gears, to air, removing the landing gears. They are not retractable like my other 1:70 scale projects because we don't have enough space for them. But if you like to have more features, retractable landing gears, the minifigure inside, and so on, there is the minifigure version of this one, and also my other aircraft from the Top Gun movie. It's larger and more expensive, so that's up to you choosing the scale you like most. And that's it for the model here. I think we can move on the program. And what I can show you here different from the model, not so much. It's the same thing, but here the colors are properly chosen. We don't have random colors like before. You can also better see some details like the beacon lights, or here on the front we have the cockpit. You can better see also the inside of the engines, also here the rear of the engines. Here I already shown you, but these can move right and left, and you can remove the landing gears for the air configuration. And for this configuration you can also find on my channel a free tutorial to build this stand that will fit perfectly with the model, and this is what will look like. It's pretty simple. If you don't like it, you can make your own, obviously. And as usual, it's up to you choosing what you like most. And that's it, the review is already finished. We don't have so much to check. This is a really simple model for the final result, but the design is quite peculiar. I think if you decide to build it, you'll find many interesting techniques that I used to get this specific shape that, as you may notice, is not so easy to achieve as you may think. If you like it, remember to leave a thumbs up. Of course, if you like my other designs, you can find them again in the caption of the video inside the playlist. And I don't have anything else to add. I hope you enjoyed this little review, and I see you again next time with a new project. Bye!